if you're a TikToker and you're thinking of how to create multiple accounts for your business, maybe you have 2 or 3 businesses and you don't want to be using one account for all of those businesses, make sure you watch this video to the end, because in this video I'm going to show you how to create multiple accounts on just one phone. So you don't have to be using different accounts on different phones. That is going to get you frustrated and stressed. So let me show you how to do that quickly on just one phone. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, I want to welcome you to my channel. My name is Awajimam Isioto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you things that you can do that can help you to make money for yourself. Okay, so first of all, you need to have TikTok on your phone. You have to have it downloaded to your phone. So to download it, you're going to go to Google Play Store. All right, go to Google Play Store, look at Play Store here, go to this place, type it in the search area and download it to your phone. So once you have downloaded it to your phone, you are going to see it here on your phone. So once you see it here, you click on it. All right, make sure you have signed up, make sure you have done everything correctly. All right, so this is my TikTok account. Okay, for those of you who are on TikTok and you're watching this now, on this channel I actually teach you how to do stuffs online. All right, I teach you how to earn online. Now what you're going to do is to come to your profile here. All right, come to your profile here and make sure you are seeing something like this for your account. And then once you have done, you are seeing this, you're going to come to the top here, this top here where you see big 3. Your name is going to be displayed there. Click on it once, just click on it once. All right, let's click on it once, and you're going to see this pop-up that will come below here. So you can see that I have 2 accounts already. So for you to have multiple accounts, all you need to do is to click on add account. So once you click on add account, let me click it so you see. Can you see? So it's giving you the option to create the account using either your phone or your email, or with your Facebook or with your Google account. All right, I'm not going to do that in this video because I just want to maintain 2 accounts. So just pick any options here and then follow all the instructions and you'll be able to create your next account. All right, that's where I'm going to stop for this video. I believe that you've learned how to do this. If you got value from this video, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe to this video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that when I publish another video, you will definitely be notified that I have published a video. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video. Please make sure to drop a comment for me if you have questions for me. If you have a video you want me to make, drop it in the comment section, and don't forget to check the link in the description if you want me to mentor you on how you can make money online. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.